Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm be showing you how to replace the headlight wiring harness. So this is the part number. No flathead, pick these up. And the way these work, you just dig underneath and then lift up. Alright, so now on the driver well, right on the bumper is a 10 mil. It's on the driver and passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. Now the other side. So this is the part number. Now I got two of them because if something goes wrong on one side of the car, it's always good to replace it as a pair. So let me show you real quick what's going on. So if I put my daytime running lights on, see it's on now. This one I got a short in it, so let me show you. See? Two 10 mil bolts right here. We're gonna move those. And then it's another 10 mil. Remove that. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do, lift up on this tab. And then lift up here and pull out. And then we're going to disconnect the wiring harness. And then this one, push down on this tab. That's so. What you want to do is connect these two. That's so. And then just push it in and lock it in place. That's so. And then turn signal. Just pop it in, lock in place. And lastly, connect these two. And then connect the main wire to here. And then when installing it, just remove the plastic a little bit. And then slide it through. And then make sure that your wires ain't hitting up against this. So while you're pushing the headlight in, move the wires to the side. Alright, so slide in. Make sure it goes over this right here. That's all. Then make sure this is in its place. Alright, so now we're going to put the two 10 mils back in. Now, I'm going to do this side. There's nothing wrong with it, but I like to place stuff in pairs. If one side, something goes wrong on one side of the car, eventually the other side's going to go bad too, so. That's it for this video. See you on the next one. Peace.